Hi there. In this live lesson, we are going to solve College Board's official SAT questions, linear equations in one variable. These are easy questions, beginners. Okay, let me share my screen and then start our questions. Hi, Mr. Sahib. I'm fine. And you? How are you feeling today? Is everything okay in your life? Okay, linear equations in one variable. There are 19 subjects in SAT Math. You know, there are 19 subjects. We are starting with the first one, linear equations in one variable. And each week we will solve the one topic, okay? Each week we will study one topic. Let's start with the first question. What value of p satisfies the equation 5p plus 180 is equal to 250? Hello, KCXS Edit. What's your name? Mr. Saib said, teacher, I feel great today. What? Mr. Nijat, this is a SAT math question and we should speak in English. The questions are in English. Okay, the first one is A. Let me solve this equation. This is simple question actually. 5p is equal to 250. If it is plus in the left side, it should be minus in the right side. 5p is equal to 70, and if it is multiplied in the left side, we should divide it in the right side. And p is equal to 14. The question's answer is A. The second question. Buyurun Nicat Bey. İnşallah Azərbaycan dilində olan dərslərimizdə görüşərik. Oh, Fear, welcome. Hi, how was your day? Fear says it is B. Okay, let's solve this equation, this problem. On the first day of a semester, a film club has 90 members. Each day after the first day of the semester, 10 new members join the film club. Okay, the initial value is 90, right? 90 plus 10D. Each day, 10 new members join. If no members leave the film club, how many total members will the film club have? 4 days after the first day. So D is equal to 4, right? Let's solve. 90 plus 10 times 4 is equal to 90 plus 40, and it is equal to 130. The correct answer is B. The third question. Bu videomuz SAT beynəlxalq universitetlərə qəbul suallarıdır, Nicat bəy və Azərbaycan dilində yazan izləyicilərimiz. Yəni beynəlxalq universitetlərə qəbul olduğu üçün beynəlxalq auditoriyaya xitab edirik. Onun üçün ingilis dilindədir suallar. Suallar College Board'un rəsmi suallarıdır və biz də izah edərkən ingilis dilindən istifadə edəcəyik. Mr. Saif says C 46. Let's solve. If x is equal to 40, what's the value of x plus 6? We should delete x and we should write 40 here, right? 40. 40 plus 6 is equal to 46. The correct answer is C. Fourth question. Which equation has the same solution as the given equation? Fear says C, Mr. Saif says C, and Mr. Nizat says C. Okay, let's solve this question. Which equation has the same solution as the given equation? We say that 16x is equal to, if it is plus in the left side, it should be minus in the right side, and 160. And we see that these are same, right, guys? These are same. And the correct answer is C. Fifth question. If 3x minus 27 is equal to 24, what's the value of x minus 9? Şükür Nicat bəy, MRT nəticələri çıxdı. Bir də həkimə aparacağım nəticəni. Fear says it. Fifth question. Let's solve this. We are asked to calculate x minus 9, right? We can divide it by 3, all terms of equation. And we are getting a new equation, x minus 9 is equal to 8. And we are asked the value of x minus y. We found that. That's 8. This is B. And the sixth question. Mr. Saif said, my God bless the teacher. Thank you, Mr. Saif. Thank you. You are very kind. D. X is equal to 20, and we are asked to calculate 15x, right? We can multiply both sides of equation by 3. We can get 15x is equal to 60, right? This is D. The seventh question, what value of x is the solution to the given equation? Fear says A and Mr. Saif says A. Let's solve. We can divide it by 8 sides of equation, right? And we get x is equal to 11. This was simple, pretty simple question. The eighth question. In the given equation, k is a constant. The equation has infinitely many solutions. What's the value of k? 21. Fear said 21, and Mr. Saif said 21. Right. If one equation is equal to itself, it has infinitely many solutions, right? So k must be 21. Ninth question, what's the solution to the given equation? Fear says 40. 4x is equal to, if it is plus in the left side, it should be minus in the right side. 160. We can divide it by 4, both sides of the equation, and we get x is equal to 40. Yeah, Mr. Sahib and Fear said correct answers. 10th question. What value of W is the solution to the given equation? It is pretty simple question and nobody answered. Let me solve. If it is plus in the left side, it should be minus in the right side. W is equal to 350. The correct answer was B. Walter White, welcome. Hi. How are you? You know English? Fear say I answered, teacher. I didn't see. Sorry, Fear. I didn't see. Okay. The greatest favor you can do for our channel is like this video, share this video, and if you haven't, hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's continue with the 11th question. Oh, Ferit, welcome. How was your day? $55. Fear says 55. Okay. If it is plus in the left side, it should be minus at the right side. X is equal to 55. 12th question. Yeah, Mr. Said, correct answer. Said correct answer. $45. Not 45, but 55. Okay. Let me read this problem. If it is small letters, a gym charges its members a one-time enrollment fee, $13 per month. If there are no charges other than the enrollment fee and the membership fee, after how many months will a member have been charged a total of $188 at the gym? Mr. Sark and Mr. Fear says 8. Let's solve. The one-time fee is initial value, right? This would be 36 plus $19 per month, 19M, is equal to 188, right? Let's solve this equation. If it is plus, it should be minus at the right side of the equation. 19M is equal to 251, and M is equal to, we can divide it by both sides of the equation by 19, and we can get M is equal to 8. The correct answer was C. 13th question. 3 more than 8 times the number x is equal to 83. Which equation represents this situation? Fear says it is D. 3 more than 8 times a number x. 8 times a number x should be 8 times x, right? And 3 more than means plus 3 is equal, is equal 83. And the correct answer is D. 14th question. If 4x plus 2 is equal to 12, what's the value of 16x plus 8? Fear says D. 14. Fear says B. It is B. Let's solve this. The given equation is 4x plus 2 is equal to 12, and we are asked to calculate this one, right? We see that we can multiply both sides of equation by 4. Why? Why? Because we are getting the same expression. 16x plus 8 is equal to 48, and the correct answer is B. 15th question. Goodbye, Mr. Nizat. Goodbye. Good night. Fear says it is 480. Let's evaluate. We are asked this one and it is given that. So we can multiply both sides of equation by 8, right? And we get 16 plus 8x is equal to 480. 480 is the correct answer. Fear. Good. If you are watching this video as in the picture, you can not take more from this video. No, it is education channel, and you can take notes, you can calculate with the paper, with the pen. Okay, let's continue with the other question. 16th question. Let me read the passage for you. Lorenzo purchased a box of cereal and some strawberries at the grocery store. Lorenzo paid $2 for the box of cereal and $1.9 per pound for the strawberries. If Lorenzo paid a total of $9.6 for the box of cereal and the strawberries, which of the following equations can be used to find P, the number of pounds of strawberries Lorenzo purchased? Assume there is no sales tax. Fear says it is A. We should multiply 1.9 by the P, right? 1.9 P plus $2 for the box of cereal, and it is given that the total is $9.6, right? And we see that it is A. 17th question. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 36 feet. Each of the two congruent sides of the triangle has a length of 10 feet. What's the length in feet of the third side? Guys, do you know what isosceles triangle is? Fear says it is C. Isosceles triangle is, it has two congruent sides, right? It is isosceles triangle. It is 10 feet. It is given that these are 10 feet. And let's say it is x. And you know how we calculate the perimeter of a triangle? We sum all sides. X plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 36 feet. X plus 20 is equal to 36. If it is plus at the left side, it should be minus at the right side. X is equal to 16 feet. The correct answer was C. 18th question. Let me read passage for you. I see these letters are small. Let me read for you. A manager is responsible for ordering supplies for a shaved ice shop. The shop's inventory starts with 4,500 paper cups, and the manager estimates that 70 of these paper cups are used each day. Based on this estimate, in how many days will the supply of paper cups reach 100 and 1,700? Here says it is B. We see that the initial value is 4,500 minus 70D each day, right? 70 of these paper cups are used each day, so we should subtract. And it is equal to 1,700. And we see that 70D is equal to 1,500 minus 1,700. 70D is equal to 0, 0, 8, and 2. And we can divide both sides of the equation by 70 in order to get the value of D, right? D is equal to 40. The correct answer was B. 19th question. What's the solution to the given equation? It is pretty simple question, guys. It's pretty simple. Okay, let's solve this equation. What's the solution to the given? If it is plus at the left side, it should be minus at the right side. K is equal to 4, 2, 3. The correct answer was B. 20th question. Nasir bought 9 storage bins that were each the same price. Nasir bought 9 storage bins, the same price. He used a coupon for 63 off the entire purchase. He had a coupon off, okay, off. The cost for the entire purchase after using the coupon was $27. What was the original price in dollars for one storage bin? Are there anyone who solved this question? Fear says 90. No fear. No. Let's solve together. Nasir bought 9 storage bins that were each the same price, and he used coupon 63 off the entire purchase. The cost for the entire purchase after using the coupon was 27. Let's say for one storage been, it is X dollars, right? It should be 9 times X dollars. And he has a coupon 63 off. We should subtract 63 and it should be equal to be 29, right? 29. Let's solve this equation. We can both divide by 9 both sides of the equation. X minus 7 is equal to 3, and we can add 7 to the 3. X is equal to 10. Did you understand, Fear? You have written 10, 10, 10. Yeah, Fear. Fear. 10, 10, 10. The answer was 10. 21st question. Fear says, see, it is pretty simple, right? We should write 7 and add with the 20. It is 27. See. 22. Did you calculate the 22? It is easy, but you should do some math here. Fear says it is 8, 22. Let's solve. What value of x is the solution to the given equation? We write 3x plus 5x plus 5 times 4 is equal to 20 is equal to 76, right? This gets 8x is equal to 56, and we can divide it by both sides of the equation by 8. X is equal to 7. The correct answer was 8. 23rd question. What's the value of 8 over x? Pierre says 1 over 5. Yeah, you are right, Pierre. We see that it is 5 over 1, and we can change the place of denominator and numerator. 8 over x should equal to 1 over 5. In the SAT exam, you can write your answer like this or 0.2. 24th question. Let me read for you. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle. You know what isosceles triangle is? It has two congruent sides, two same sides. It is isosceles triangle, right? The perimeter is 83 inch. Each of the two congruent sides of the triangle has a length of 24 inch. What is the length in inch of the third side? Here says 35. Let's solve. Let's say this isosceles triangle is 24, 24, right? And the third side is x. The perimeter means we should add these three numbers. X plus 24 plus 24 is equal to 83. 8x plus 48 is equal to 83. If it is plus at the left side, it should be minus at the right side. X is equal to 535. You were right. Fear 35. 25th questions. Here says B. Yeah, 3x is equal to 30. We can subtract 12 both sides from both sides, and we can get the answer. It is 18, right? The correct answer is B. 26th question. If 4x is equal to 3, what's the value of 24x? Fear says it is feared. Did you realize you are the just person, just student writes answers? I see there are 4 people watching this video, but they are silent. They are just watching. Okay, if 4x is equal to 3, we should multiply or multiply. I don't know the exact pronunciation. We should multiply both sides by 6, right? 24x is equal to 18. The correct answer is C. Mr. Sahib, welcome again. Why did you go away? Why don't you calculate these equations? These are simple for you. Here says it is 17. Okay, we can calculate this equation. 2x is equal to 9 minus 3, right? This should be minus at the right side. 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3, and we can write here 6 times 3, 3 minus 1, 18 minus 1 is 17. 28th question. A total of 165 people contributed to a charity event as either a donor or a volunteer. 130 people contributed as a donor. How many people contributed as a volunteer? The teacher had a bad experience. What happened, Mr. Saib? What happened? Few says it is A. 130 plus x is equal to 165, and x is equal to 35, right? The correct answer is A. 29th questions. What value of P satisfies the equation 2P plus 275 is equal to 325? Here says it is B. This is pretty simple question. 2P is equal to 325 minus 275. 2P is equal to 0, 5, and P is equal to, we can divide it both sides of the equation by 2, and we get P is equal to 25, right, guys? The B is correct answer. 30. Fear says it is C. We can divide it by all terms in the equation by what? By 4, right? By 4. Let's write again this equation. X minus 7 is equal to minus 6. And we are asked that this one, right? We are asked to calculate x minus 7, and we get minus 6. This is the C. 31st question. Which equation has the same solution as the given equation? Mr. Saif says there was a terrorist in the building. What happened? What did terrorists do? Fear Seljan, I sent the Liv's link to Seljan, and I don't know if she is watching or not. Answer C. Let's have a look this question. 4x is equal to, if it is plus, it should be minus at the right side, 12. And you see that these are same. These are same. The correct answer is C. 32nd question. Fear asked terrorist. Yes, please inform us. What happened in your building? What did terrorists do to you or to the member of your family? Is everyone okay in your building? Mr. Saib, we gave the police him. You did great thing. Okay. P says 0.2. Yeah, if it is plus at the left side, it should be minus at the right side, okay? And x is equal to 0.2. 33rd question. (27). We see that this is 3 times 6 plus x, right? And it is given that 6 plus x is 9. So you can multiply 3 and 9 and get 27. Okay. 34th question. By the way, there are 45 questions, okay? College Board released 45 easy questions for this topic, linear equations in one variable. And we are at the 34, we have 11 questions in order to reach 45, okay? This evening. Mr. Saib said 27, right, Mr. Saib, you were right. Fear says 54. Okay, we can calculate x here. We can divide it by 2 both sides of equation. It is equal to 6. And we can write here 9 times 6 is equal to 54. Next question. Mr. Saib said the teacher wasn't a terrorist. Yes, I wasn't. I am not a terrorist. Fear said we will make medium questions next stream. I have planned, Fear. I have planned. There are 19 subtopics. There are 4 domains in the SAT. You know, algebra, advanced math, trigo, and geometry, problem solving, and data. And these 4 domains have the total 19 topics. And I planned. Okay, we can do medium questions, I think. And but I don't promise. Okay, let's solve this question. We will talk about it. Henry receives a $60 gift card to pay 4 movies online. to pay for movies online. He uses his gift card to buy 3 movies for $7.5 each. If he spends the rest of his gift card balance on renting movies for $1.5 each, how many movies can Henry rent? Fear says it is D. No, Fear, it is not D. Mr. Saib says, teacher, the man is American. Which man, terrorist? Henry receives $60 gift card to pay for movies online. He uses his gift card to buy 3 movies for 7.5, right? And if he spends the rest of his gift card balance on renting movies for, and plus X movies for renting times 1.5 is equal to 60, right? 60 is equal to 22.5 plus 1.x, and 60 minus 22.5 is equal to 1.5x, and it should 40, 38, 37.5 is equal to 1.5x, and x is equal to 30.5 divided by 1 over 5, 1.5. We can multiply by 10 in order to get rid of this point, right? 375 over 100 over 15. We can divide it by 5, both denominator and numerator. It is 75. And if we divided 75 by 3, we can get 25. The correct answer is B. Did you understand, Fear? No, Mr. Saib. The answer is not D. Did you understand what I calculated here? Did you understand what I calculated here? Fear said no. Yaşa Fear, Azərbaycan dilində izahım verim. Deyir ki, Henry $60 hədiyyə kartı var, $60 balansında online film almaq üçün. He uses his gift card. O hədiyyə kartını 3 film almağa sərf elədi. Hər filmdə $7.5. Yəni 3 vur $7.5 getdi. Bir də deyir ki, if he spends the rest of his gift card, qalanını da hərəsi $1.5 olan film kiralamaq istəyir. Deyir, neçə film kiralaya bilər? X vur 1.5-inə, 3 vur 7.5-in cəmi 60 olmalıdır. Okay, I think it's clear. Let's get the next question. If 80x is equal to 6, what's the value of 72x? Mr. Saif says answer is C. If 8x is equal to 6, we can multiply both sides of the equation by what? By 9, right? 72x is equal to 54, right? The correct answer is C. 37th question. Here says it is A. A principal used a total of 25 flags that were either blue or yellow for field day. The principal used 20 blue flags. How many yellow flags were used? Yellow plus 25 blue, right? It should be equal 20. Sorry, 20. It should equal 25, and y is equal to 5. If it is plus at the left side, it should be minus at the right side. The correct answer is A. 38 question. Here says it is A. Let's solve. A rocket contained kilograms of propellant before launch. Exactly 21 seconds after launch, this kilogram of this propellant remained. We are saying that 467,000 minus 21 x equal to 362,105, right? On average, approximately how much propellant in kilograms did the rocket burn each second after launch? Okay, we can say that 21x is equal to, we should subtract this one. And we get 5 here, 9, 8, 4, 0, and 1. And we divided by both sides of the equation 21, right? X is equal to, we can divide it by 3 actually, both denominator and numerator of fraction. Get 7, 3, 3, 4, 9, 6, 5. And we can divide it by 34,965 by 7, right? We get 4 here, 28, 69, we get 9 here, 63, and we get 9 again here, 63, and 35, 5. Okay, we get the answer. 4,995. The correct answer was A. Welcome, Mr. Nizar. Nicat bəy, xoş gəldiniz. Biz də qutarırdıq. Bayaqdan ingilis dili danışmaqdan. Az qaldı, 6 sualımız qaldı. Turan is our SAT student and he is going to take SAT exam next, I think it was 7th June, right? 7th June. A, here says it is A. Let's evaluate P plus 11. These are 11 is equal to 10. And we can subtract 11 at the right side. P is equal to minus 1. Correct answer is A. 14 question. 14. What value of x is the solution to the given equation? This is x, 1x is equal to, we should subtract 130, 130. The answer is 130. 41. If 7x is equal to 28, what's the value of 8x? Mr. Sar says it is B. We can get x is equal to 4, right? We can divide it by both sides of the equation by 7. And we can multiply 8 by 4 and we get 32, right? The correct answer is B. Next question. Which equation has the same solution as the given equation? Here says it is A. Yeah, we can divide it by both sides of the equation by 7, right? 2x minus 3 is equal to 9. And it is A. You were right, Fear. What value of x is a solution to the given equation? Mr. Saab said it is 8. Okay, if it is minus at the right side, it should be plus. We get 14x is equal to 112. And we can divide at both sides of the equation by 14 in order to get x. And it is 8, I think. Yeah, you were right side, it's 8. 44th question. Here says it is say John paid a total of $165 for a microscope by making a down payment. Here you say it is C. Let's see if it is correct or not. Plus P monthly payments of $16. 16 times P plus 37 equal to 165, right? It should be C. It says it is down payment and P monthly payments of $16 each. The total should equal to 165. 45th questions and the last question of this evening. If 6n is equal to 12, what's the value of n plus 4? Here says it is 6. Yeah, we can divide it by 6 both sides of the equation. N is equal to 2 and we can write here 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay, let's recap the subjects. We did the easy level of first topic. The next week we are going to solve linear functions. I think it should be easy again. I have planned all easy levels finish. After that, we are going to solve medium equations, and after that, we are going to solve hard equations. Tamam. Bu gecəni də belə bitiririk. Bir nəfər aktiv izləyicimiz var imiş. Bizə sual olan varmı? Bizə sual olan varsa cavablandıraq. Yoxdursa bu gecəni sonlandıraq. Xeyrə qarşı Turan bəy, xeyrə qarşı. Sabah sizi gözləyəcəyik. Gəlin görək imtahana qədər nələr eləyə bilirik. Nicat bəy, sizlər nələr elədiniz? Gecəniz necə keçdi? Bizim ingilis dilində olan suallarımızdan sıxıldınız yəqin. Bəli, Nicat bəy, həftənin biz planı deyirəm, birinci gün Dövlət İmtahan Mərkəzinin testlərini izah edirik 5-ci siniflərə. İkinci gün 9-cu siniflərə buraxılış testləri elətdiririk, canlı dərs. Üçüncü gün shorts paylaşırıq, qısa sual hər kəs üçün. Dördüncü gün SAT, ingilis dilində riyaziyyat, beynəlxalq universitetlərə hazırlaşanlar üçün. Və sabah, cümə günü, yəni 5-ci gündə 11-ci siniflərə buraxılış testləri elətdirəcəyik. Canlı olacaq, sabahki dərsdə Azərbaycan dilində olacaq, öz doğma dilimizdə. Sadəcə 4-cü günlər SAT, yəni beynəlxalq universitetlərə hazırlaşanlar varsa, hətta SAT-ni bizim Ada Universiteti də qəbul edir, SAT nəticəsini. Bəli, 9 maydır Sahib bəy, qeyri-iş günüdür. Oğlanlar günü. Əhəd bəy, aleyküm salam. Biz də söhbəti bağlayırdıq. Turan bəy yazıb, deyəsən 1250 baldır Adanın. Adaya şagird göndərməmişik SAT-dən, bilmirəm nədir. Nicat bəy, ayağımı MRT çəkdirdi. MRT-ni həkimə aparacağım indi 6-cı gün səhər. Sahib bəy yazıb, sizi təbrik edirəm müəllim. Biz də sizləri təbrik edirik. Sağ olun, təşəkkür edirəm şəfa diləkləriniz üçün. Çox sağ olun Sahib bəy. Turan bəy, mən qaçış eləyirəm, həftədə 3-4 dəfə eləyirdim. Qaçışda incitmişdim sol ayağımı. Onunla əlaqəli MRT çəkdir, dedi həkim. Tamam. Sualınız yoxdursa canlını bağlayırıq. Görüşərik. Nicat bəy, görüşərik inşallah. Özünüzə yaxşı baxın. Sabahki mövzu natural ədədlərdir. Natural numbers. İnşallah Turan bəy, inşallah. Gecəniz xeyrə qalsın.